Hi friends, good morning. The time now is 10:40 in the morning, Thursday, 7th of January 2021. Yeah, just want to give you an update for the finished product of ceiling installation and painting of cornice, joint strips, and a wall, repainting of walls. Yeah, I completed yesterday, removing all the plastic protecting the Seratone. So yeah, as you can see on that corner, you can see the joints. You can see the joints of cornice, as well as the joint on strips. And this corner as well. Yeah, I'm not with the finished product I've done, because if I ask someone else to do this, maybe they will charge me maybe $1,000 just for the labor cost, because New Zealand has high in labor cost, and they charge per hour. So in this case, me and my wife installed this Seratone. My wife has a big contribution with the installation of this Cornice. I can do it alone. Alright, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like my short presentation of installation of cornice and painting of walls, painting of joint strips. Alright, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this, like what I said, short presentation of installation of Seratone. Now we won't worry even there's a mold on the ceiling, because you can easily wipe it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please be safe, and bye for now.